So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to find count using Power BI DAX. So first, let's move on to the Power BI desktop. And for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail data set. It has four columns: order date, category, profit, and sales. Now let's say we want to find out number of transactions that were done during this data set. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, go to report pane. We need to create a new measure. So for that, go to home and click on new measure. And over here, let's give it a name as number of transactions. And number of transactions means the number of count that we want. So basically, we will be working with count function. So I'm going to use count over here, and we can pass any column inside this. So let's pass order date column inside this and just hit enter. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a new measure with the name number of transactions. So just select this, and instead of bar, let's say I want a card. So as you guys can see, it is saying we have 10 transactions that was done for this data set. And if you go to your data set and count the number of rows, it will be 10. So in this way, we can make use of count function in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.